it's about what you pay attention to online. As you scan headlines or online ads, are you more likely to read an article that you have to scroll through or hit play on a short video? Analytics from one of my current projects show that people prefer to watch a video, and quite honestly, I prefer that they watch a video too. People are more likely to hear the complete story and get accurate information that is more memorable. Although video is a tool for one-way communication, it can be used for virtual public involvement by raising awareness of public involvement opportunities and providing information. It's virtual in the sense that the information can be shared at any time, any place. People don't have to show up at a public meeting. They can watch the video when and where it's convenient for them. And with technology today, video doesn't have to be expensive. The tools to record and edit are accessible and in everyone's hands. For example, the Provo Orem Transportation Improvement Project, or Provo Orem TRIP, shoots regular project updates on an iPhone using the basic editing tools already on the smartphone. We are using a one-take, man-on-the-street approach that takes about 4 hours of staff time to produce. That includes the planning, shooting, and basic editing to post online. For Provo Orem TRIP, we usually post videos as a promoted post, making the total cost an average of $340 per video. With an average of 11,600 views per video on social media, that makes the cost per view around 3 cents. Video posts that aren't promoted still outperform other forms of social media posts, such as photos and web links. This man-on-the-street or news package format is low cost and easy to produce. People are used to seeing this type of video, and it can be repurposed to share on multiple online platforms and in person at meetings or presentations. It is an effective virtual public involvement tool.